Okay, guys. So last class I had shown you this problem and part 1 has been solved, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you have solved the second part?
Ma'am, I have solved.
Yeah, you please raise your hand. I have to check. How many of you have solved the second part? Please raise your hand. Sujanya and Ritika. Okay, okay. Krishna Bhargav, Sai Kishore. 4. Only 4 of you have solved out of the class. Okay, fine. What about remaining guys? What happened? You didn't try or you faced some issue to solve that? Yeah, tell me guys. Okay, anyway, if you want to maintain silence, it's okay. So let's see. The second part was find the resistance R that if connected between the inverting input pin of the op-amp and ground causes V0 to double. So how much answer you got guys, those who have solved? Can you please tell me your answer?
Ma'am, 100 by 9K.
Yes.
11.11K.
100 by 9K or total answer is in kilo? Kilo.
11.1.
Yes, 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 yes.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
ma'am,
think
11.1
it is
kilo.
that only.
Yes, somebody is saying something. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, 100 by 9 will be that only. 100 by 9 kilo ohm. So it will be 11 point something only.
You should not say like that. You have to tell the entire value of R in kilo ohm, right? Guys, voltage, will you say that? What is the unit of voltage and current? You have to tell always one value. If you are calculating, don't simply write in numericals. What are the units it has belongs? No, you have to represent the answers with the units. Okay. So those who raised the hands, whether you all got the answer as 100 by 9 in kilo
Yes,
ohm?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Thank you guys. At least you are listening and following the thing. See, for LIC, if you are active, this subject will give you the output. But if you won't come to solve the problem from your side forward, then the subject will be very difficult for you. It will seems to be like that. Okay. So how was it, guys? It was easy to solve or difficult? Those who have solved, I'm asking them.
Ma'am, if we go stepwise, then it is easy only.
Easy, ma'am.
Okay, if you follow the previous part 1 steps, it will be easy, right? And the hints was there in the question itself. Correct? Yeah. So what has been asked in the question? R should be double, right? R will cause
V
the
not. V not double.
yeah.
V0 is double.
V not is
Yeah, R will cause the V0 to double, right? This was our requirement. So what was the previous V0?
-5. -5.
It means R will tends to make the V0 to how much?
-10.
-10.
-10 volt. So what was the previous VP and VN?
-1.
-1.
-1 volt.
We got an equation, right? So that time. So now with respect to that new V0, which is minus of 10 volt, what are the value for our VP and VN then?
-2.
-2 volt.
Yes, this is the first step, right? You have to attempt like this. So how we have done in the case 1, how we have repeated the things, how we have equated the things in the case 1. Do you remember, guys, how do we have solved that part? That Vs equal to, we have written, no? We have to equate the two equations with respect to case 1. So here I will write, repeat the step of case 1, right? So here how much do we write? As per the new figure, I'll just show you the figure. Here we have the figure, right? What is the new value of Vn? If I will repeat that, Vs minus Vn by 50k, which is equal to Vn minus V0 by 20k. Like that we have to proceed, no?
Yes, ma'am.
But here we have additional R term is also there. Okay. That Vn by R, that is only unknown factor. If you solve this one equation, no, you will get the answer from it. So see here with respect to this point, Vs, okay, Vs minus Vn divided by 50k. Again, this is Vn, no, this is Vn by R, which is the R, that is the unknown factor, plus minus 2 minus 10, minus of minus 10 by 20, this factor. This loop we have to follow, this one. Okay, so let's solve this, guys. Nine minus 2 by 50k, which is equal to Vs is minus Vs is 9 and Vn is and minus 2. Okay, Vp equal to Vn equal to.
Ma'am, screen is not visible.
But I have shared my screen, guys. You refresh from your side. Is it
visible, ma'am?
Yeah, it is visible. That's what I'm saying.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
I have shared the screen. Okay. No issue, no issue. So what we have to write? Minus 2 by R, because Vn value is R, because we have to add Vn plus V0 side, right? So that value is now we have to add at here, but the equation is Vn minus of V0. So V0 is negative and Vn also negative. So that's why it is minus 2 minus of 10 whole divided by how much? Which path we are following? We are applying the KVL in that equation,
20.
no?
20.
20, yeah. So let's solve this now. Those who are not able to solve previously, if you solve only this part, you'll get your answer, right? How much at here? I'm doing it for you guys step by step. In the exam also you have to do it step by step. You don't skip any step. Up to this you got
18 by 100.
Yeah. What is the final answer, guys? 100 by 9 source
11.111 kilo ohms.
in kilo. This is the answer. Those who are not able to solve this, kindly refer this answer. Then we will come to the second question. Second question, yeah, here. Yeah, look at here, guys. A source voltage Vs of 10 volt is fed to a voltage divider implemented with RA. Okay, implemented with RA. Equal to 120 kilo ohm and RB equal to 30 kilo ohm, and the voltage across RB is in turn to a gain of type non-inverting amplifier having R1 equal to 30 kilo ohm and R2 equal to 120 kilo ohm. Then sketch the circuit and produce the amplifying output voltage. Then part B is that repeat the inverting type, the same question in the inverting type with R1 and R2 values are provided as 30 kilo ohm and 150 kilo ohm. I hope you have noted this question. How do we solve this, guys? Any idea? First part we have to solve, right? A source voltage of 10 volt is fed to a voltage divider implemented with RA. RA and RB, two resistors are provided, and the given configuration has given for the non-inverting amplifier, right? So let's solve this part. If you have noted the question, I'm just moving to the solution page. Do I have the page? No, I have to go to a new page. Okay, fine. Guys, I'm drawing the circuit for you. From the question itself, you have to understand the circuit, right? So let's draw the circuit. I need some space. Let me to finish the drawing, then only you follow me. So let's draw first the non-inverting part with the source voltage of this one. Suppose this is RA and this value is RE. As per the question, it has given like that, and the source voltage of 10 volt has been provided at here. So this is our Vs. Then what is the R1 and R2 value provided? 30 kilo ohm and 120 kilo ohm. So this is R2 or RF, right? Now in the form of R2 it is given. So 120 kilo ohm, and this is R1 or Rin as 30 kilo ohm. So guys, check your question. Is it so? In this way we have to draw the circuit. And what is the value of RA? RA has given as 120 kilo ohm. And RB is how much it has given? Guys, what was the value of RB?
30 kilo ohm.
30 kilo.
30 kilo. Good. So these are the data given. As per the question, whether we are able to draw the circuit or not. Check the question. A source voltage Vs of 10 volt is fed to a voltage divider implemented voltage divider. So which one is voltage divider, guys? This part is voltage divider, right? RA and RB part is called as the voltage divider part. Okay. Then implemented with RA and RB value with 120 kilo ohm and 30 kilo ohm, and the voltage across RB is in turn to a gain of type non-inverting amplifier. It means we have to use this voltage divider network concept at the non-inverting amplifier, not at the inverting one. That was the hint from the question. Then R1 is 30 kilo ohm and R2 is 120 kilo ohm. So it was given in the question, sketch the circuit and produce the amplifying output voltage. So let's see. Are you able to solve it, guys? I'm giving you some 5 minutes time. Solve this and tell me the answer. Otherwise, I'll solve this for you. Guys, are you doing?
Ma'am, V naught equal to 10 volt.
Yes, V naught equal to 10 volt. Any answer? Any other answer? Yes, guys.
volt, ma'am.
Okay, plus 10 or minus 10 volt?
Plus 10, ma'am.
Plus 10 volt. How many of you got the answer? Please raise your hand. Good. Sai Kishore, very good. And who are the others? Okay. KBJR Juturu R. What is your name?
Sentan.
Okay. And Kuntamukula. Is it so?
Krishna Bhargav, ma'am.
Okay, Krishna Bhargav. Your initials are showing to me. That's why I'm only reading your initials. No issue. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, guys. So those who are not able to solve this, I'll just do the first part for them. Again, you have to go for the second part. Okay, Prakash Saha and Santhan Reddy and Skand, Vaibhav Kumar, Ritika, Aman Raj, Gupta, Sai Kishore. Okay, Akila, you two got the answer as 10 volt.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. I think gradually all are getting the answers. Remaining also getting the answer. No issue. Okay, how do we proceed, guys? You give me the hint. Suppose this is the voltage divider network. We have to consider this, that VB and VA term. Like that only we have to solve, right? So suppose for this case, this nodal voltage is the input for the circuit, right? Now Vs is not the input for this non-inverting amplifier. Now suppose this V1 is the input for this non-inverting amplifier. So as per this V1, okay, suppose this is the input. If I will write down the V1 equation only at this point, what should be the equation for V1? I want to know because V1 is the input for the op-amp. So what is that? Okay, before that you tell me what is the V0 for the entire circuit, guys? The first part is done. We have drawn the circuit from the statement of the question. Now we have to calculate the output voltage, amplifying output voltage. So what is the equation for that? Can you tell me?
1 plus R2 by R1 into V1.
Why it is 1 plus RF by R1?
Inverting circuit.
Inverting circuit. Good, very good. What is the reason behind this, guys? Yeah, tell me, what is the reason behind this? Is it inverting circuit or non-inverting circuit?
Non-inverting circuit.
Non-inverting.
So guys, remember when you are talking, you should know that what you are talking. Okay. Because the present circuit belongs to the non-inverting amplifier configuration, that's why the gain is 1 plus RF by R1. That is the basic thing, right? So here RF is R2. What is the B in at here, guys? B1, right? So once again I will rewrite the equation 1 plus R2 by R1. If the question is given in the form of R2 in spite of RF, you have to represent that only into B1. So this is our requirement. Okay. Now we will proceed to find out the unknown B1. What is the equation for B1? First tell me. It is Vs into, check your figure, this part which is connected to ground, another end of the resistor, right? Which is connected to ground. So Vs into 30 kilo ohm whole divided by 120 kilo ohm plus 30 kilo ohm. That is the answer, right? Yes or no? Also you are not telling, guys. Why? Guys, what happened to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, good. Is this boring? You are not responding to me. Is this boring?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Then why you are not taking part into the class? You have to answer no. This is online class. I can clearly hear you. Your PC or your laptop or your mobile is just in front of you. What is the problem with you guys? You have to just take part into the class actively. Okay. Yeah, fine. So V1 we got 2 volt. Now where we have to apply the value of V1? In the V0 equation, right? So directly V0 can be calculated as 1 plus 120 divided by 30 whole into 2 volt. So what is the answer? Answer is
10.
10 volt. Yeah. Then solve the second part. What was second part? Repeat inverting type. And for that R1 and R2 values are different. That is case 2. What is the new circuit, guys? Inverting type. And which setup will move to inverting type? That voltage divider part setup will move to inverting input. So how the circuit will be? This is also part of your question, right? So I'll do the circuit for you. You just do the solution. So we have to do the 120, then input arm is 30. This part is grounded, and here we have the which source? Vs. 120, 30k, 120k, then this is also 30k, and here what is the value of R2? It was provided. R2 is how much, guys, for the new case? What is R2?
150k.
Good. Yeah. Will you solve this part? Yeah, solve it, guys. I'm waiting for the response. How do you proceed for this? Again, you have to find out the voltage node V1 value. Okay. Guys, one wrong thing has been attempted. Who will tell this part is missing in the circuit? One thing is missing, or it is correct? It is correct only. As per the question, the circuit is correct. So what is the value of V1 now? Because V1 is the input, no? You have to solve this. V naught equal to minus of Rf by R1 whole into how much? V1, right? So what is V1 at here?
Ma'am, 10 by 9.
10 by 9. How much it is?
So it's 10 by 9 volts.
Tell me in figure.
9.1.
No, wrong.
1.11.
Yes, very good. Who told this?
Shantanu.
Santanu. Yes, Santanu, it is correct. V1 is 1.11. Yeah, Santanu, just apply the value of 1.11 in your equation R2 by R1 and you may get your output.
Yes, I'm doing that only.
Yeah, okay. So remaining guys, just check the answer. How do we solve this, guys? Because V1 is the input for your op-amp and this belongs to the inverting configuration. But even though this V1 is input for this, remaining part is a voltage divider part, no? And now if you see the circuit, 30 kilo ohm is parallel to this 30 kilo ohm, no? So how do we solve this? We can solve it. Vs is here, a source voltage is here. We have to solve this part, but these two branches are parallel to each other. So how do we write the equation at here? 30k parallel to 30k. Okay. Give a bracket because I have to write the value of Vs. Whole divided by the whole resistances available in this loop. So 120 plus again 30k parallel to 30k. Okay. Whole into which one? Vs value, right? What is the Vs it has given? 10 volt. Try to solve this. Now you solve and tell me the answer. $900 whole divided by 60 into 10 whole divided by 120 plus again 900 by 60. Okay. So numerator part is 150 divided by 135, which is 1.11 volt. Now we got the V1. Then what is the V naught from here? It is minus of R2 by R1 into V1. So how much it is? Minus of 150 by R1. R1 is 30 kilo ohm into 1.11 volt. What is the answer? Minus of 5.55 volt. Is it so? Whether all of you got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, note down these things, guys. Whether you understand the concept or not, how do we solve the problem, the statement problem? By drawing the circuit. From the circuit, how do we find out the gain and the output voltage? Got the idea?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The new question, another question. One more new question for you guys. Just let me to draw the circuit first. Okay. This is B in, this is R1. And suppose yeah, so here suppose you have to level this as Vx. What is the equation of gain from this circuit? One circuit is given like this, find out the equation for gain. Find out the gain of this circuit, that is the question. Start solving this, guys. How do we proceed first? No, by virtual ground, this one. Suppose this is Vp and this is Vn. So what is this? Suppose by virtual ground Vp equal to Vn equal to 0. Then suppose this one is I1 current. And this is I2 current. Where will be I3? This will be I3. Okay. Where is the I4 then? Yeah, this is the direction of I4. So you may easily write down this, no? Okay, guys, just have a look. So by virtual ground solution. Vp equal to Vn equal to 0 volt, right? So apply KCL at node Vn, guys. You watch your circuit. So here only we may apply the KCL, right? This is our Vn road. So if I will apply the KCL with respect to this Vn road, which two parameter can be equated? I1 and I2, right? I1 equal to I2 at this node with respect to node Vn. So if I1 is equal to I2, what is the value of I1, guys? Vin minus Vn divided by R1. Similarly, what is I2? Here
minus Vx by R2.
Yes. So just remember that here the unknown nodal voltage, you have named this as Vx. It was given at here, right? If it is not given, you may take Vz or something, some parameter you just give, just label it. So even though if it is given, you have to write Vn minus Vx by R2. So later only you have to put the value of 0. So initially we have to write like that. And again, guys, this is one part we can solve with respect to Vn. Here also we can solve, no? I2 equal to, with respect to Vx, we can apply KCL.
I3 plus I4.
Yes, I3 plus I4. We can solve that part. So why we have solved the previous part, no, guys? From the previous part, at here we may get the value of I2. Okay, in this equation you may use that value of I2, which is minus of Vx by R2, right? So if you use that, you will get the unknown value of Vx from this second KCL equation. So if you equate that or if you use that value of Vx in your previous equation, then only you can get the equation for unknown gain. Okay, so I have given the hints. Those who are catching the hints, guys, just proceed. Otherwise, I am solving it here for you. Okay, for the class, I am solving it here. Those who got already, you please try it from your side. So we may write it here I1 equal to I2 and label this as equation 1. So I1 can be written as B in minus Bn whole divided by R1, which is the second part, I2 equal to Bn minus Bx by R2. Up to this you got, guys. I'm asking the whole class. I'm not asking the particular student. I'm just talking about the whole class. Yes or no? Up to this you got?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Then I2 with respect to node Vx. So apply KCL. At node Vx. So with respect to that, we may rewrite the equation I2 equal to I3 plus I4. Yes, so what is I2, guys? Minus of Vx by R2. What is I3?
Ma'am,
Vx.
Vx by R3
Huh.
plus Vx minus V0 by R4.
Yeah. Okay. Up to this you got?
Yes, ma'am.
Minus Bx by R2. We will simplify this. Bx by R3 plus this one is Bx minus V0 by R4. Okay. Then take all the Bx to one side so that we can get V0 to another side. So here if we will solve Vx by minus of Bx by R2, then just bring it to this side. Otherwise bring this minus of Bx by R2 to this side. Already minus of V0 is there, no, it will become plus. So the next equation is Bx by R2. Guys, you tell me. Plus Bx by R3
plus Vx by R4.
Yes.
Equal to V0 by R4.
Good. V0 by R4. What is the next line?
Take Vx common and substitute that value.
Yes. Now the time is to take Vx as common, and now it is 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4, which is equal to again V0 by R4. Yeah, what is the next step? We have to solve this intermediate part, right? So Vx into, give a big brush, guys. So the bottom one, the numerator is just multiplication of the missing part at the denominator. So the denominator is R2 dot R3 dot R4, and the top part is, tell me first part.
R3 R4 plus R2 R4 plus R2 R3.
Which is equal to again V0 by R4. Any term can be cancelled here, guys.
Ma'am, R4.
R4 can be cancelled. 1 minute. Yes, R4 can be cancelled. Just a moment, guys. So what is the new equation then? Bx whole into R3 by R4 whole divided by only R2 R3, right? We can rewrite the same thing. R2 R4 whole divided by R2 R3 plus R2 R3 whole divided by R2 R3, which is equal to V0. Yeah, tell me the next step, guys. Which term will get cancelled out from the first term? R3 R3. Second term R2 R2. Last term the whole one, right? So we can rewrite the equation Vx whole into 1 plus R4 by R3 plus, tell me, R4 by R2, which is equal to V0. So what is Vx, guys? V0 divided by this whole multiplicand term. Okay, you got the value of Vx, right? Now where can we apply the value of Vx? In equation 1, if you check, I1 equal to Vin minus Vn by R1, which is equal to I2 equal to, we got Vn minus Vx by R2. So same thing we can implement at here, no? I1 equal to I2. Guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
By equation 1, we can rewrite this Vin by R1, which was equated with I2. Now this is Vx by R2. So label this as your equation 2 and solve this, guys. I have written enough line for you. You solve it and tell me the answer. Guys, those who are present for this class, type yes in the chat box. So Vx value is unknown. Now Vx value is also known. So if you write Vin by R1, which is equal to minus of V0 1 plus R4 by R3 plus R4 by R2 whole into again this R2 term. So if you solve V0 by Vin, this will become minus of this term 1 plus R4 by R3 plus R4 by R2 whole divided by R1, and here R2 term is already there. Okay, guys. So the same line can be represented as minus of R2 by R1 plus R2 R4 by R1 R3 plus R2 R4 by R1 R2. So which term will get cancelled out? Here R2 R2 will get cancelled out. So what is the final equation for the V0 by Vin? Can be written as minus of R2 by R1 plus R4 by R1 plus R2 R4 by R1 R3. Yeah, that's all. This is the answer. Guys, got it? Those who have given the attendance and written also, you may leave the session from your side.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, okay, guys.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, do we have lab today in the afternoon?
Yes.
Okay.
Whether it is removed from your timetable.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Just I'm asking.